Are you looking for the best budget action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best budget action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. For the money, DJI's Osmo Action 5 is the best action camera you can buy right now. It trumps our previous top pick, the GoPro Hero 13 Black in several ways, including battery life, which tops out at 2 solid hours of 4K video recording in my tests. The Action 5 Pro can now record a 4:3 ratio in 4K at 120 frames per second and features a new Super Night mode, which shoots up to 4K per 30 frames per second footage at 16:9 and uses noise reduction to get usable footage, even in low light situations. The Action 5 sounds decent out of the box, but it seamlessly integrates with the DJI Mic 2 or the Mic Mini to offer much better audio, better than what I've been able to get from GoPro, even with the GoPro Media Mod and an external mic. I also really love the Action 5's size. It's smaller than the GoPro and easier to mount on helmets or bike handlebars. The mounting system is unchanged, which is a good thing because this is the best magnetic system I've tried. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13. We have a separate guide to choosing the right GoPro, but for most people, the Hero 13 Black is the best option. Its new interchangeable lens system makes the Hero 13 Black considerably more versatile than anything else in this guide. In addition to the standard lens, there is the ultra-wide lens mod, $100, with a 177-degree field of view, a new macro lens mod, $149, for close-ups, and a new anamorphic lens mod, $150, with a 21:9 aspect ratio and those sweet movie-style lens flares. All of the extra lenses are automatically detected by the Hero 13 the minute you attach them, and settings are automatically adjusted accordingly. This is quite frankly the best feature of the camera, especially for the ND filters, which are normally quite a pain to set up with proper shutter speed. Read our full GoPro Hero 13 review for more details on how the lens system works. And remember, if you don't need them, you don't need them. After a year of playing with these, I still use the standard lens the most, followed by the ultra-wide lens, and occasionally the macro lens. The Hero 13 Black also introduces a new magnetic mounting system, finally catching up to competitors, and it's great, but it seems like everyone forgot the GoPro has always had a quick mount system that is also great and remains what I use most. The 5.3K 10-bit video out of the GoPro Hero 13 is very nearly the best of the cameras on this page. The main reason we've put the DJI as our top pick comes down to battery life. Still, this is the camera I personally use the most, and the news lens mods open up some shoot possibilities unique to this camera. Number 3. DJI Osmo Nano. You could argue that DJI is copying the Insta360 here, which pioneered the detachable action camera with the Go series, most recently the Go Ultra, $500. But the first thing I thought of when I started testing the DJI Osmo Nano was the DJI Action 2, a weird blip in the action camera world that came out and vanished in barely a year. I was always fond of the Action 2 and its strange, detachable, magnetic configuration. The Osmo Nano feels like DJI took the lessons from the Action 2, borrowed some ideas from Insta360, and out came the Osmo Nano. The Nano consists of the Vision Dock, as DJI calls the screen and base, and the camera portion. They can attach with the screen facing either direction, using the same magnetic mount that DJI uses in other cameras. Crucially, this means the camera pod can be mounted to any DJI magnetic mount, something very convenient if you're already heavily invested in the DJI ecosystem. The dock works from a distance of up to 33 feet and offers a bright, 1.96-inch touchscreen. There are 2 models available, one with 64 GB of built-in memory and one with 128 GB. Both have an SD card slot if you need more storage space. The 128 GB model offers a higher download rate when transferring footage, but it's $30 more. Nano uses the same 1/1.3-inch sensor as the Action 5, and has very similar video specs and output. You get some things here that you do not with the Insta360 Go cameras, including support for 10-bit color, 4K per 60 frames per second video, and full sensor 4:3 4K video at up to 50 frames per second. Video out of the Nano looks good. DJI appears to have changed its color science somewhat. Video from the Osmo Nano looked more natural and less aggressively sharpened than video from the Action 5. If you shoot in 10-bit D-Log-M and do your coloring in post, you'll have about 13 stops of dynamic range to work with. That's really nice when you're filming difficult scenes like riding a trail through the trees in midday sunlight. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12. The Hero 12 Black, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, remains a fantastic camera, with good, smart stabilization, support for log video, wireless mic support, and a tripod mount. One downside is there's no GPS support. That's good for battery life, but if you like GPS, this is not the camera to get. The price has dropped as low as $287, so try not to spend much more than that. Hero 12 Black takes its best-in-class image quality to the next level with HDR for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. Great in environments with both shadows and bright light, HDR captures the subtle details of the scene that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. The result is dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision. With 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, Hero 12 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality with high dynamic range, HDR, while also taking 27MP photos. You can also grab stunning photos up to 24.7MP of your favorite shots from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 6. Variable aperture f/2.0 f/4.0 adapts for crystal clear 4K footage in any light. Great for dynamic vlogs, sports, and creative shots with your action camera. The all-new 1/1.1 square sensor boosts the sports camera's image quality, delivering vibrant colors and up to 8K video, 23, for vlogging or underwater adventures. Shoot up to 4 hours in normal conditions, with a cold-resistant design that keeps rolling when temps drop. A 4K camera built for creators and sports fans. Connects 2 DJI microphone transmitters for dual high-quality audio without a receiver. A vlogging camera ideal for interviews, sports, and content creation. With 50 GB built-in storage, shoot longer without swapping cards. Your action camera 4K is always ready for vlogging, sports, or underwater shots. Go underwater up to 20 m without a case. Vlog, surf, or swim with this waterproof camera and capture every splash in stunning 4K.